Yogah Karmasu Kaushalam.
Namaskar, welcome to Gujarat University. Being a Vice Chancellor of Gujarat University, I welcome you all in this beautiful green campus. Let me orient you something about Gujarat University. We established in 1949. Recently, we are awarded 44th overall ranking by National Institutional Ranking Framework. Besides that, Government of Gujarat has awarded us a 5-star university status, which is probably the one of its kind in this state. We have 2 incubators which are centrally funded. We have 2 finishing schools which is for bioinformatics and computational biology. Besides that, we have 14 Olympic size and Olympic standard games in our campus where students can participate and prepare themselves for global exposure. We have more than 10,000 papers published in a very reputed journals. Gujarat University is the only university where we have biosafety level 3 facility where we can test and work on viruses like corona and others. We have large number of books and archives in our library where students and faculty can surf through digital modes of learning. HRDC is one of the best establishment in Gujarat University. It is awarded by MHRD, the 15th rank all India across the country. They are number 1 in digital delivery of content. They are preparing the faculty and students of Gujarat for content delivery and content preparation. I congratulate HRDC that they have trained more than 10,000 faculty for their orientation and refresher courses. In future, they will continue with the same pace and they will help more and more faculty for their digital content delivery. Professor Joshi, who is coordinating the HRDC department, he is very dynamic, young and enthusiastic. He is very active in his delivery system. That's how Government of Gujarat and University both are proud of him and we congratulate him too. If you are around the campus, we would advise you to look around these facilities and go through the departments where you can learn and communicate with the local faculties. It's a golden opportunity for you. If you are visiting our campus physically, you can see all these infrastructure and state-of-the-art laboratories. Once again, congratulations to all of you for joining this course and wish you all the best.